Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO Pad M1 and let me share with you how to fix up crashing. So I believe that all of us have encountered that kind of situation when we are trying to open the app and it simply doesn't work. It tries to open, but after that it is crashing and we have no idea what to do. So in this video I'd like to show you what to do. So let's pretend I've got problems with Google Chrome, so with the browser. All we have to do is to tap on it and hold it, and then tap on this info icon. So here we've got this app info section, and first of all, let's go to the storage here at the top, and here we've got something called cache. Cache are junk files which are saved by your device, but they are not necessary for the proper usage of the app. And to be honest, they might sometimes interfere. So what I highly recommend to do is to tap on clear data and tap on clear cache. Tap on OK and your device will immediately remove it. Moreover, what I highly recommend to do is to simply tap on force stop, because sometimes the app is opened in the background, even though we cannot really see it in the recents, etc. And it basically prevents to reopen it. So tap on force stop and tap on OK. And now, after those two steps, you can try to open the app, and if you are fortunate, it will work perfectly fine. If not, I highly recommend to recreate those steps. So again, cache and force stop, and then simply power off your device to kind of confirm all of the changes. So all you have to do is to press the power button, which is right here, and volume up button once, just like that. Oh, it's not really comfortable to use that combination of keys. So just press them once and then go to, for example, reboot or power off, and then power it on manually. If that didn't work, I highly recommend checking for the updates. So let's open the Play Store. Okay, no thanks. And now let's tap on search. Let's enter the name of the app, so Chrome in my case. And right here we've got our app and the actions which we can do. And if the update is available, you will see this information here. And I highly recommend to simply tap on update, download newer version. Your device will overwrite it over the older one. And sometimes newer versions will basically work better. If that didn't work, I highly recommend to come back to this section, and instead of update, you will have the option uninstall. So simply uninstall the app completely, and after that install it again. This operation will provide you the newest app version, which will be directly installed on your device. It will not be overwritten. It will not overwrite the older one. It will simply be directly installed, and sometimes it might fix some issues. And as a last resort, I also highly recommend to check for the software updates. Let's go to the settings. Here, simply tap on About Tablet and tap on Xiaomi HyperOS. And now your device will basically check for the updates, and if you can see the update, just like in my case, I highly recommend to simply tap on this "An update is available" and then download the update, because sometimes newer versions will also work better with the app's newer versions. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.